Hey guys, doing here with yard works. I'm going to do a cold start on my John Deere 445. Right now I have the snowplow on it, 54-inch snowplow. And I also have the tire chains on it. Okay, here we go. Oops, I gave it too much gas too quick. Open the hood here. You see the engine here. Go around the other side. So liquid cooled V-twin, 22 horse overhead valve, electronic fuel injection or EFI, Kawasaki engine. I really don't know what was going on when it started. Sometimes it does that. I give it gas too quick, it stalls. Can't tell you what was going on with it. I did just change the coolant on this, so it's fresh. Don't know if you can tell. You see it a little bit. It's right where it should be. I had the valve cover gaskets replaced because they were leaking a little bit of oil. Plow works great. And I also have the loader for it. Here. So it's going to sit here over the winter. It's a John Deere 40 loader. It has nowhere else to go. And the weight box. Once again, it's a John Deere 445. Please rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.